issued a tornado warning for eastern Parker County and Tarrant County, north central Texas. This is until 7:45 this evening. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm with a history of producing tornadoes was 17 miles west of Springtown, moving to the east at 35 miles per hour. The storm will be entering the western sections of Tarrant County just after 7:15 this evening. Locations in the warning area include Alton City, Hazlet, Keller, Lake Worth, Lakeside, North Richland Hills, Pecan Acres, and Reno. This is an extremely dangerous storm. In addition to tornadoes, hail the size of softballs and damaging winds to 80 miles per hour are likely with the storm. Once again, eastern Parker County and Tarrant County, a tornado warning until 7:45 this evening. All North Texas Central stations affected by this alert are requested to rebroadcast the preceding announcement. We now resume normal programming.